Hey folks, John Cantera, the double broker bounty hunter, here for the Freight Fraud Task Force with another Task Force Minute. Today we're talking about CPM, or cost per mile. And a lot of folks out there, frankly, do not know what their CPM actually is, because if they did, then they wouldn't be taking a lot of the loads that they actually are taking today. Knowing your cost per mile is going to be the difference between success and failure in this business. And make no mistake, it is a business, not just a job. And you have to manage your business so that you're always coming out ahead and in the black. So when you're trying to determine your cost per mile, you need to make sure you're taking into account your maintenance, your truck note, pretty much any cost that exists, insurance, fuel, everything. And once you factor all that in over a course of set mileage, then you go ahead and you get your cost per mile. There's a formula for this. If you don't know that formula, that's okay. I happen to like an app called AccuBid Pro. And AccuBid Pro helps carriers manage their cost per mile on a day-to-day, week-by-week, month-to-month basis. By all means, check out AccuBid Pro. The real problem here and why CPM meshes with fraud is the fact that CPM, if you're not managing it correctly and you're losing money, turns good carriers into scammers in a hurry out of desperation. We're used to seeing the international syndicates being the ones who are scamming the industry left and right. But not managing your cost per mile will breed homegrown scammers who are going to try to play the same tricks and tactics in order to try to make a dollar in order to stay alive. Guys, this is not the way to do business. Manage your cost per mile, and it will keep a good carrier from going bad. For the Freight Fraud Task Force, I'm John Cantera, the double broker bounty hunter. We'll see you next time on the Task Force Minute. Till then, don't let scammers take you for a ride.